Good morning, fam. You made it. And that means your body already has an advantage today because right now your spine might feel stuck. Your shoulders might be holding on to sleep or stress or both. And maybe you've been carrying tension that isn't even yours, but we're about to release it layer by layer. One of these stretches will unlock your posture in seconds. Another will release that stubborn spot between your shoulders where pain loves to hide. And the last one, it's going to reset your breath, your spine, and your focus for the entire day ahead. This isn't just about feeling loose, it's about moving through your day with freedom. Let's hit the mat. We start with motion, flow, breath. A gentle reset for every vertebra that's been curled overnight. Come into tabletop, hands under shoulders and knees under hips. Inhale, drop your belly, lift your chest and tailbone, cow. Exhale, round your spine, tuck your chin, cat. Flow slowly with your breath. You'll feel a smooth wave through your spine, top to bottom, front to back. I promise the stretch will reactivate your spine, soften stiffness from sleep, and prime your posture for everything else today. Beginners keep the range small. Advanced stretches add gentle circles in the hips and ribs. Most spinal compression happens while we sleep. This is your body's first chance to undo it. Make the last 10 seconds your slowest, deepest wave yet. Can you feel your spine stretching in both directions? If not, deepen your breath. The spine follows the lungs. That just unlocked your spine. Now let's get deep into the shoulders. This is where we release that spot between your shoulder blades that's been holding on to everything. From tabletop, slide your right arm under your left. Lower your right shoulder and cheek to the mat. Keep the hips high and breathe into the twist. Feel free to reach your left arm forward. You're going to feel a deep stretch across the upper back, shoulders, and the space behind your heart. I promise this move will release upper back pressure, improve rotational mobility, and start unraveling shoulder tension you didn't even know you had. Beginners keep the top hand grounded. Advanced stretches, walk the top arm forward or wrap it behind your back. This will prep your chest to expand fully in the next stretch. Don't rush this twist. Reach the fingertips forward and hold for 5 full seconds. Can you feel the stretch from shoulder to spine? If not, shift your weight slightly back and breathe deeper. That just unwound your right side. Let's bring the same release to the left. This side may feel tighter. That's okay. That's where the gold is. Slide your left arm under your right. Lower your left shoulder and rest the head. Reach your right arm forward or stay grounded. Keep hips square and breathe long. I promise this will balance your back, melt neck tension, and set up a healthier, more open posture. Beginners, keep it simple. Advanced stretches, rotate slightly deeper and add a subtle twist with breath. Relax fully into the stretch. No tension in the hands, no tension in the face. Is one side easier to breathe into? That's the side that's been doing more work than it should. That just freed up your spine. Now let's release everything your neck didn't say out loud. The neck holds more than just your head. It holds pressure, stress, unspoken weight. Sit tall or kneel. Gently drop your chin to your chest. Slowly roll your right ear to the right shoulder. Roll back and around in a circular motion. Switch directions halfway. You're going to feel length and space around your cervical spine. A light stretch through the neck, jaw, and traps. I promise this will release micro tensions you didn't even realize were there and soften your nervous system. Beginners, keep the circle small. Advanced stretches, soften the shoulders completely and close the eyes. Tight neck muscles can reduce blood flow to the brain by restricting the vertebral arteries. This move undoes that. Slow it down. Make one circle last 10 seconds. Let gravity do the work. Can you feel where the tightness lives? Breathe into it. Let it go. That just cleared your headspace. Now let's open your chest and reclaim your posture. This is where we reclaim the space that hours of sitting, slouching, and stress have stolen from your chest. Stand tall or kneel. Interlace your fingers behind your back. Pull your hands down and back. Lift your chest and breathe into the front body. You're going to feel a powerful stretch through your chest, shoulders, and arms. Heart space opens. Shoulders reset. I promise this move will open your chest, combat slouching, and energize your entire upper body for the day ahead. Beginners, use a towel if you can't clasp your hands. Advanced stretches, add a forward fold and lift your arms behind you. This stretch stimulates the lungs and heart. literally opening the body to receive more oxygen and energy. Here's a little challenge. Pull your hands back just 1 inch further. Hold, lift the chest, breathe big. Can you feel your collarbones rising? That's posture returning home. That just expanded your chest. Now let's flow into a final challenge stretch. This is where everything integrates: length, mobility, and grounded focus. Stand with feet wide, hinge at the hips and fold forward. Reach toward the ground or your ankles. Let your head hang and sway side to side. You're going to feel length through your spine, stretch in the hamstrings, and space in the back of the neck. I promise this move will decompress your spine, open your hamstrings, and restore balance to the entire posterior chain. Beginners bend the knees slightly. Advanced stretches keep legs straight and reach for the floor or ankles. This inversion helps calm the mind and improve blood flow to the brain. Perfect before a busy day. Try to relax 10% more. Breathe into the backs of your legs. Let gravity do the work. Do you feel taller now? That's your spine remembering how it was meant to move. You just release your spine, open your shoulders, and reset your nervous system, all before the world even started moving. Stay strong, flexible, and powerful. I'll see you in the next session. Let's go.